Welcome to a quick and practical guide on how to control who sees your phone number on Facebook. Updated for today's app layout. If you value privacy, this will help you keep your number visible only to your close circle. First, open the Facebook app and land on your home screen. You'll notice the familiar blue app icon in your dock. Tap it to begin the journey towards stronger privacy control. Once the app opens, head to the top right corner where you'll find 3 horizontal lines. This is your gateway to all the settings you'll need. From the menu that slides in, scroll down a bit until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings to open a deeper menu where your account preferences live. Privacy and details can get tucked away here, but we're aiming for personal details, so look for that and select it. Within personal details, you'll find an option labeled Contact Info. Tap on that to reveal the contact details you've shared with Facebook. Here you'll see your phone number listed. Tap on your number to access the visibility options for this piece of information. Next, look for the option that says Facebook account and an opportunity to change visibility on Facebook. This is where you decide who can view your number on the platform. Tap Change Visibility on Facebook to adjust the audience. Choose Close Friends. This setting narrows visibility to the people you've marked as close friends, ensuring that only they can see your number when they're browsing your profile or interacting with you on Facebook. Make sure you've actually designated those close friends in your audience list so the setting works as intended. A quick double check. Go back to your profile and view your own phone number as a test. If you've set it to close friends, you should not see it yourself when logged into a different account or in an incognito view. It's a simple way to confirm that your privacy choice is effective. If you ever need to change it again, repeat these steps and select a broader audience or remove the number from visible contact details entirely. Privacy on social media is about ongoing tweaks, not a one-time setup. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your phone number private and share it only with the people you trust most. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a comment with any other privacy tweaks you'd like to learn about, and I'll walk you through them.